we are able to grow up and be purified in the many intentions and endeavors that we have. Because after all, we are working for peace. We are working for joy in our life. You know, my dear brothers and sisters, especially for the siblings, to the children, and Apostle Tatay Jose, even in the midst of your pain this time, masakit sa iyo na we cease to become children. Dahil want to be with us. Maski it is a different thing that when you wake up, you know in your heart that they are still there. Na in their presence, heal us. Because their presence console us. Because their presence give us a kind of consolation that only our parents can give to us. That's why, when they are gone, our life is no longer the same. May sort of a lifetime wounds in our hearts. But my dear brothers and sisters, especially to the children, I hope that in the midst of your pain, be grateful to God for the gift of Tatay Jose in your life. Prayers. They need most our prayers. What they need most is our intentions in the Mass and prayers every day. Dahil more na candles and our consoling prayers for them. Be the only and the best gift that we can give to them right now. By loving one another. Lima kamo nga of our family. Sacrifice for one another as our expression of love and care and respect to one another. Offer to God back the life of Tatay Jose with humility, with obedience, and with gratitude.